206 INFPs responded and asked me their questions. And one of them was how to stop being stuck with the past and replay it over and over in my head. So, how can INFPs stop replaying past mistakes? And by the way, my name is Matt Sherman. Nice to meet you. I'm an INFP. Something that's helped me is to know how my mind works. So, your mind has a location in mental space that it sorts all things. If you think about someone you love, they have a representation within mental space where they are. They have different submodalities as well, different like details and distinctions within that mental space. Okay, and it also happens within your body too, but I think this is probably going to be outside of you in a visual domain. So they might have like a clarity to them, or vibrancy, or size. It might be panoramic. It might be moving. It might have a smell or a taste or something, a sound, and different pitches, different tones of sound. So there are all these different qualities. And there's also the person that you don't like, right? There's your addiction to Coca-Cola, which I used to have. I used to drink it all the time. And this is going somewhere, okay? And there was also, I didn't want to drink it anymore. And so I moved that desire for Coca-Cola to the place where frog legs existed, juicy, squishy frog legs. And I don't drink Coca-Cola anymore. I haven't drank it for like 12 years or something like that. By just moving it in mental space into the category, the section, the place where yucky, squishy frog legs were, I ended up having the choice of not drinking it, because it's being reactivated right now. When I saw Coca-Cola, I decided like, I don't want this anymore. And it gave me that little moment in time. Of course, if I ever wanted to, I suppose I could bring it back. So people also have this, and that experience, as in like your relationship to somebody else that you have in your mind, that movie that's playing, has a location, has a space, or whatever that experience that you're stuck with the past and you're replaying. Sounds like a movie to me, replaying over and over in your head. It has a location. I guess it's in your head. Okay, maybe. So you could take it out and you can move it to somewhere else. I know it sounds weird, it sounds bizarre, but it works. I have a course on this. It's called Mind Wizardry, and it's something that people in the Evolve community love because it gives you immediate control over how you're engaging with the world. So that thing that's replaying, all you got to do is just take it out, move it to somewhere else, change the dynamics of it. If it's a video, if it's a movie, make it dim, make it small, make it play in reverse, or change it to like a cartoony type setting. Put it somewhere that feels better and leave it there. It's really that simple. And if it comes back for whatever reason, because there's some lesson that you haven't learned yet from it, and your unconscious mind is like, hey, there's still a little bit more in here. This is doing something for us. Hopefully learn the lesson, and you can move it somewhere else. You can move it back. This happened a lot for me with limerence, where we kind of like overly fantasize about people. There was somebody from my past that kept popping up, and I didn't like it. And so every time it popped up, I just moved her behind, put her somewhere else. And eventually my unconscious mind was like, oh, you don't want to think about this anymore. Thank you. Okay, now that I know, let's move on. There's a weird thing that happens when we keep adding fuel or tinder to the fire, to the flame. And we're just restoking this negative experience over and over again, as opposed to just letting it go and moving on. So I hope it helps. Also, get new experiences. Get new, like if it's a bad thing, like you can never succeed because of that one time when you fell down in front of all those other people. Okay, well, get new experiences to contradict that. Oh, you didn't fall down. You didn't fall down. You didn't fall down. You didn't make a mistake. You didn't fall down. Oh, okay. So actually, that was just one outlier. That wasn't the whole thing. It works. Hope to see you there. Did I already mention Evolve? I'm going nuts. it works. I hope to see you in the Evolve community, evolve.geekpsychology.com. Good luck, have fun. Peace.